This is the book of 2 Timothy, chapter 3, verse 1, and it reads to the Holy Scriptures. This know also that in the last days perilous times should come. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Akarkadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And I say shalom to the Akim out there, and this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out. And the title of the lesson is the 2 Timothy chapter 3, verse 1. And I'm going to look up the definition of iniquity, because we're definitely going to continue to see that increase in the latter days of the love of many shall wax cold. And the definition of perilous is a full of danger or risk. And the similar words, dangerous, fragile with danger, right? So we're definitely going to continue to living some increasing perilous, dangerous times, which we are already in those times. It's in full effect right now as we speak. So we definitely going to continue to see the increasing of the perilous times, Just like I brought out the 2 Timothy chapter 3, verse 1, this know also that in the last days perilous times should come. So we definitely going to continue to see lawlessness, and the love of many are waxing cold. In Ecclesiasticus chapter 39, verse 28 of the apocryphal books of the Holy Scriptures, of spirits, there be spirits that are created for vengeance, And I believe it was a story that just recently came out, and I believe it was down in Texas as of yesterday. I believe it was a doctor had got shot, and a civilian had got shot as well too. I believe it was like 3 people got injured. I believe they was able to detain the suspect. I don't know, he was dealing with some type of mental issues, and they said he had like a long rifle or something like that. And then it was a one story that came out. I believe it was 3 U.S. soldiers were found dead, found unresponsive. I believe in right near a Texas gas station. So that shows you, those are clear examples of we're living in perilous times, and it's definitely going to continue to increase and show forth now some more than ever, especially over here in Babylon. And a witness for around the world as well too. That's why we're going to continue to see escalations and tensions and uprises and upwars in the people of the world that we've been seeing, definitely for sure. So we seeing the tensions that's taking place in the world today, just like it says in Matthew chapter 24 verse 6, and ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. The different wars between the different nations and different kingdoms, a lot of increasing of uprises and upwars in the people of the world, the famine, pestilence, and plagues that we are witnessing and experiencing in the world today. So that leads into in the category sense of perilous times. We're going to continue to see that increase. So those are just prime examples that I want to bring out what's been currently taking place in the world today. And that backs up to the 2 Timothy chapter 3, verse 1, So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this scripture that I just brought out, was part of the title of the lesson. As it says again, 2 Timothy chapter 3, verse 1. This know also that in the last days perilous times shall come. So with that, I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Akarkadash. Let me take that back. I meant to say it was 3 Marines was found dead in a vehicle in North Carolina. I meant to say, rather than Texas, I meant to say North Carolina. My apology for that. But so with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying. And I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Akarkadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through 4 corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom.